We rip out so much of ourselves to be cured of things faster.
That we go bankrupt by the age of 30.
And have less to offer each time we start with someone new.
But to make yourself feel nothing, as if not to feel anything,
What a waste.
And I'll say one more thing. It'll clear the air.
I may have come close, but I've never had what you two had.
Something always held me back or stood in the way. How you live your life, it's your business, you know.
but just remember, our hearts and our bodies are given to us only once.
And before you know it, your heart's worn out. And as for your body,
There comes a point when no one looks at it, much less wants to come near it.
Right now, there's sorrow, pain.
Don't kill it. And with it, the joy you felt.